We are pleased to show you the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries